Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Cellex-C Seline-E Cellex-C Enhancer. This is a moisturizer that is designed to help improve the appearance of your skin. It contains vitamin E and bioflavonoids, which are antioxidants that can help protect your skin from damage. Cellex-C Seline-E Cellex-C Enhancer is a rich moisturizing cream that is designed to help improve the appearance of your skin. It contains vitamin E and bioflavonoids, which are antioxidants that can help protect your skin from damage. It also contains hyaluronic acid, which helps to hydrate the skin. The vitamin E and bioflavonoids in Cellex-C Seline-E Cellex-C Enhancer help to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells. The hyaluronic acid in Cellex-C Seline-E Cellex-C Enhancer helps to hydrate the skin, which can help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Cellex-C Seline-E Cellex-C Enhancer is suitable for all skin types, but it is especially beneficial for people with dry or aging skin. To use Cellex-C Seline-E Cellex-C Enhancer, simply apply it to your face and neck after cleansing and toning. You can use it morning and night. Some of the benefits of using Cellex-C Seline-E Cellex-C Enhancer include improved skin hydration, reduced appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, protection from free radical damage, increased skin brightness and radiance. Side effects of Cellex-C Seline-E Cellex-C Enhancer. Cellex-C Seline-E Cellex-C Enhancer is generally well tolerated, but some people may experience mild side effects such as redness or irritation. If you experience any side effects, stop using the product and consult with a doctor or dermatologist. Cellex-C Seline-E Cellex-C Enhancer is available to purchase online and at some beauty retailers. Cellex-C Seline-E Cellex-C Enhancer is a moisturizer that can help improve the appearance of your skin. It is suitable for all skin types and is especially beneficial for people with dry or aging skin. If you are looking for a moisturizer that can help improve the appearance of your skin, Cellex-C Seline-E Cellex-C Enhancer is a good option to consider. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos. I hope this helps.